Hey traders, John Hal here, officialjohnhal.com. Remember, in this video, we're gonna have a look at the Nasdaq, guys. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, let's get straight into this this video here. Remember, I normally Guys, I'm looking at the Nasdaq. Do not take a trade based on what I'm saying here right now because the market is risky. Make sure you have everything in control with what you're doing, okay? When it comes to trading, make sure you do that, okay? Let's get straight into this now. What's happening on the Nasdaq is this. Firstly, we can see the Nasdaq had a bounce off this level of support. You can see if I squeeze this right up, see it had this bounce off this level of support. It broke to the high side. And now we broke back down to the downside through here. And as you can see, we had a big increase in volume, right? A big increase in volume through here. And so that's what we see through there. A little support, resistance, support, bounce off support again, and then we broke through. Now, looking at that, guys, and looking at what's happening through there, as you can see that we are starting to get obviously a lot more downward movement. This level through here, though, if we have a look at this trend line here, if I go back to the weekly chart, you can see that's a weekly trend line. So we're actually at an area of a weekly trend line as well. And you can see that. Now, obviously looking at the S&P and the Nasdaq and the S&P and the Russell and the Dow Jones, we had every industry had a big pop to the high side, and then the market got destroyed today. Destroyed. Well, not destroyed, it had a 1.27%, but a lot of people that were thinking the market's ready to go up, which I thought as well too. Then the market turned around. Now, thankfully for me, I wasn't in any long positions. My thoughts were that the market was going to go up. I didn't have any long positions on, and so therefore I didn't take any trades. Now, obviously, I'm definitely on the short side of things, not on the long side of things, and I do see this market having a bit more downside to come with this, with the overall market itself. Now, looking at the daily chart here, guys, if I take everything off the screen and just purely look at the peaks and troughs, you can actually see what's happening through here. Okay, you can see you had this low, had this high, you had a higher trough, you had a lower peak, and now we're forming a lower trough. So I would like to say, guys, I would say that the Nasdaq's getting very, very risky, and we have a really good chance of getting down to the bottom, down to these lows through here on the Nasdaq very, very quickly. By the end of this week, we may have a good chance of actually getting down there, especially if it breaks this low through here, guys, and actually breaks that. Then we're going to run straight back down to the lows there really, really quickly. Oh, that's what I think anyway. That's my opinion. Let's just see what happens. If you'd like to learn more information about how I trade the markets, guys, then click on this image up the top here. Free course to help you out. Oh, can't draw today. Click on the image up the top there, guys. Free course to help you out. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.